Check this out. Mussels. Huge freshwater mussels that these guys are eating. Look at that. Those are big. Look at this one over here. It's huge. You see that shell? That thing is massive. Where the heck are you finding mussels in here? What the heck? So anyway, they got a whole seafood paella over here. They got mussels, they got catfish. There's a catfish head I just stepped on. There goes my new boot. I truly have christened them now. I'm sorry, okay? I'm doing it for the socials. I'm not bothering anyone per se. I probably kind of am, but... Okay, let's see. Don't die on... There's no alligators in here. That would be also very bad. Just step over a rock and there's a gator. That would suck. Look, a nice feather! Okay. This is terrifying. Okay, much like we did yesterday, I think I'm going to just throw caution to the wind. Hopefully I don't get bitten by a snake. And I'm just going to grab it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I can do this. Did I get it? I got it! Look! It's an egret feather or something. An ibis feather, maybe. It's somebody who has white feathers. God, she camouflaged so well. Hi, sweetie. She seems very comfortable with me over here. She's like, okay, that idiot's collecting feathers, so definitely don't have to worry about him. I am a little scared that there's like a water moccasin in here or something that I'm just not... Look at that catfish head! Oh my god, they're everywhere. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy.